dear students, as you know already, NLSIU Bangalore conducting separate entrance, that is NLAT. Now I'm going to explain you about how to apply NLSIU Bangalore. Here, before we are applying that, we have some prerequisites are there, like just documents to upload. These are candidates' recent passport size photograph. It is mandatory colored passport size photograph. Next, scanned copy of government issued ID card like Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID, whatever. If PAN card also available, if you have PAN card, that is also fine. You need to upload that particular document, right? And next thing, scanned copy of original 10th class mark sheet. And if you have 12th mark sheet, original mark sheet, you need to upload that, otherwise leave it empty. This is not mandatory to upload. Next, scanned copy of original reservation certificate. If you want to claim under the any particular reservation like SC, ST, OBC, there is no OBC quota in NLSIU Bangalore. So if you want to claim in that particular reservation quota, you have to upload that particular certificate immediately. And if you have any, if you are from Karnataka domicile, you need to upload last 10 years study and conduct certificates in that application form. Okay, right. And as you know already, you read about question paper format, and anyway we'll do detailed question paper format video. Sangeeta ma'am will give you detailed analysis of question paper format. Right, here I'm just telling you about this is main area, 2 marks per correct answer, 0.25 per unanswered question, and 0.5 for each wrong answer, right? As you know already, 80 marks paper and 45 minutes duration, right? And next thing, yeah, here before we going to this, first we need to apply how to apply NLSIU Bangalore. You just open Google page, then click on admissions.nls.ac.in, click on enter. Right, here notifications details regarding the BA LLB admission notification for 2021. Click on that. First of all, initially you have to read whatever notification details are there. Now you have to read each and every point. Okay, right. I'm just covering main points here. We'll move to main points. Eligibility criteria, as you know already, 10+2, 10+2 or its equivalent. Aggregate percentage of 45 if you are under general category, and PWD students. Aggregate percentage of 40 or its equivalent grade in case of SC/ST. There is no upper age limit. Okay, next. And application starts from 3rd September and it closes at September 10th. So make sure that before you should apply, if you want to apply, make sure that before 10th of September you should apply. Okay, and next thing, these points are already covered, right? And 5th and 6th points, it's not mandatory, but when they ask, definitely we need to carry that particular certificate. If you are under claiming that domicile reservation of Karnataka, you need to show last 10 years study and conduct certificates there, right? Next, right, this is the question paper format. Okay, next let's move to application form. Before applying, before entering mobile number and password, you need to register first. Okay, click on this register button, enter your name as per 10th class mark sheet, Select your program, BLLB obviously. Enter your mobile number and enter your password, whatever you want. Click on register. Okay, you'll get an OTP. Okay, you have to enter that particular OTP here. I'm just checking. Yes, I received an OTP. It's 345663. Click on activate. Okay, click OK. Right. Next, I have to enter my password. Then click on login now. Okay. Right. Read the instructions carefully. They declared here. First point, fill and submit the application, make application fee payment, test details. Test details, as you know, September 12th. Publication of provisional answer key, that is September 12th itself. And filling of objections, that is also September 12th. Publication of final answer key, that is 14th September. Publication of results, September 16th. Then publication of provisional admission list, that is also September 16th. Okay, next let's start the application. Click on start. Right, here applicant name, next applicant gender, next date of birth, date of birth as per 10th class mark sheet. Okay, next father name, next mother name, next nationality. If you are an Indian, click on Indian, or if you have any other quota like non-resident Indian, overseas citizen of India, like that, you can choose appropriate option. Next, enter address, district Hyderabad, next state, choose appropriate state. Mine belongs to Telangana. If yours belongs to Karnataka, please mention there. Pin code, next alternate mobile number, email ID of applicant, don't fill random numbers here, don't fill random data here. Okay. Choose photograph, click on upload, file location, desktop. Right, you can adjust like this, you can drag like this if you want. Click on submit, click OK. Yes, it is uploaded. Right, here you have to upload your passport or driving license or ration card or Aadhaar card or voter ID or PAN card, whatever documents are, and file format should be in PDF format. Click on upload. Here I'm choosing my Aadhaar card. Click OK. Right, it is uploaded. Next, click on next. If you click on save as draft, it will be drafted. Okay, next. Next information, you have to enter academic information. Here, class 10th details. Okay, board, whatever. If you belongs to CBSE, click on CBSE. Okay, if you belongs to any particular state quota, state education state board, you have to choose that particular state board itself. Right? If you're CBSE, choose CBSE, and if you're belongs to ISE, right, choose appropriate option. Okay. Sorry. Next, year of passing, total marks obtained. Okay, sorry, as per 10th class, around 510 out of 600, right? Maximum marks 600. Okay, next, upload a copy of 10th class certificate. It should be file format, should be in PDF. 10th class mark sheet. Click OK. Next, 12th class details we have to enter. Select board. Again, if you belongs to any particular state, if you belongs to Telangana, Board of Intermediate Education, Telangana. Okay. Choose appropriate option here. If you're again belongs to CBSE, choose CBSE. If they haven't mentioned anything here, choose other. Then and your stream. If you're MEC, CEC, HEC means commerce background student or arts humanities, right? If you're BPC or NPC background, you have to choose science. Year of passing. Okay, anyway, 2020, or if other board, you have to mention here. And these are not mandatory fields, and if you have already that memo, 12th class memo, you have to enter particular details. Otherwise, if you already have your results, you just enter the results. For example, if I scored around 910, then maximum marks 1000, right? If you have that documents, you can upload it here. Okay, next, click on next. Next, have you studied at last 10 years in Karnataka? No. If yes, you have to upload that document. Right, this is not mandatory now, and at the time of counseling, definitely they'll ask. Right, select your all India caste, general, or if you belongs to SC, ST, scheduled caste and a scheduled tribe, you just upload relevant document to support your claim. Right, next, does the candidate belongs to the PWD, person with disability? If yes, more than 40%. If you have that particular documents, if you want to support your claim, you just upload that relevant document here. Right, next, click on this button, I do hereby Solman. Next, click on save and submit. Click OK. Application mode, submit. Now, if you want to edit your application, you can edit here, and if you want to proceed to the payment, click on make the payment, online payment. It's only 150 rupees, and if you're having any reservation or 125 rupees. Click on pay now, enter your email address, proceed, and choose relevant option here, credit card or net banking, whatever relevant options are there. So this is how simple NLSIU Bangalore conducting this entrance. And if you have any queries related to application and related to any particular supporting documents, you just contact me. And all the best for your NLAT as well CLAT. Thank you so much.